first day of the GOP convention. From chaos on the floor to Donald's big entrance, and did Melania plagiarize Michelle? Plus, how the racist backlash against Ghostbusters star Leslie Jones turned into an outpouring of love for Leslie. And the darling drunken duo from the cult classic sitcom Absolutely Fabulous, Jennifer Saunders and Joanna Lumley, talk about bringing ABBA back. Get ready for Hot Topics, because The View starts right now with Whoopi, Joy Behar, Candace Cameron Bure, Raven Simone, and Paula Ferris. Now, let's get things started.
We plagiarized that entrance.